Hey guys, I am the Pretty Girl Investor. I'm a real estate investor who uses the exit strategy of wholesaling real estate, and this is where I document my real estate journey and where I teach other entrepreneurs how to get started wholesaling. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Go ahead and click that like and subscribe button so we can get started. So today I will be showing you how to run comps and how to find ARV using Propstream. But first, what is Propstream? Propstream is an all-in-one database that allows you to find properties, run comps, analyze deals, pull lists, skip trades, send campaigns, and more. Propstream is an investment. It is $99 a month. So you have to think of it like this. What will this $99 investment do for my business? Propstream's database will allow you to pull lists, which could potentially get you a deal of $5,000, $10,000, or more per month. So it is a good investment to have, and it is a good investment that you will need wholesaling real estate. Propstream does have a 7-day free trial, so you can get started below, and I will provide the link in the comment.
So this is Propstream. This is what your screen should look like. We're going to go to my market, which is Charlotte, North Carolina. Below you will see these tabs. We don't need them right now. We're just going to go ahead and find our property. We're going to go ahead and go to comps. As you see, it gives us a drop down of comparables in the area. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over to the left and we're going to click on data set. We're going to change public records to both. We're going to go 1 mile out and we're going to filter out our bedrooms and our bathrooms. Then as you scroll over, it's going to give you a drop down of all of the comparables in the area. So if you scroll over, you should only see 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. Because I put that as the max, so it shouldn't pass that. Okay, so what we're looking for is the ARV, the after repair value. We're going to uncheck all of these boxes. And to find ARV, we're going to take a look at the amount that it's sold. And we're going to take a look at the pictures just to make sure everything adds up. Let's click on this one, number 3. So it gave us a picture of the condo. Has pictures inside. Gonna take a look at it. Look pretty nice. Okay, let's exit out. We're gonna use 3 as a comp. We're gonna find 2 more. Okay, I see a condo here. And it doesn't have any pictures, and that's okay. Another thing you can do is look at Zillow. It doesn't have any pictures, but it's sold for $277. And as we see, the beds and the bathrooms, they don't add up, so we're not going to use that one. So here is one that sold for $275. Okay, we can use this one. And the house looks pretty nice, so we'll use this as a comp. Let's look for one more. This one is a nice one we can use. And I'm just looking to see if the property's been renovated, because we're looking for the after repair value. And that just means what the house will sell for after it has been repaired. So now that we have our 3 properties checked off, what Propstream is going to do is add them up and divide them to find the average price per square foot. So the price per square foot is right here. And all we're going to do is multiply that by our prospect property, which ends up giving me an ARV of $272,289. And that is how you find the ARV. It is very simple. Once you get the hang of this, you're going to be able to do this in no time, in less than 60 seconds, because you know what you're looking for. So we just ran comps and found the ARV for this property. Now, if you want to find the maximum allowable offer, of course, you will have to reach out to the seller. You will have to give them a call. You will have to find out the condition of the property. You will have to run your numbers. And that's how you will find the maximum allowable offer. But here, we're just running comps and we're just finding ARV. So what happens when we cannot find any renovated comps in the area? So what we're going to do is do the same thing like we did with the other property. We're going to go over here to data set. We're going to take a look at our beds and our bathrooms. In this case, I already know how many bathrooms it is, and I've already applied it to the filter. We're going to go 1 mile out. And we're just going to adjust the bedrooms and the bathrooms. And we're going to come over here to the right. We're going to uncheck all the boxes. Once we unchecked all the boxes, you see here, if you scroll on to the right, you're going to see that some houses have sold for under $100,000. In this case, these houses are not renovated. And we're just going to pretend like we do not see any renovated comps. So if you do not have any renovated comps whatsoever to go off of, you want to go off of the price that the house have sold as is in as is condition. So here we see one that sold for $60,000. Doesn't have any pictures, and that's okay. See another one that sold for $50,000. I'm gonna click on that one. And we're gonna click on the one that sold for $60,000. So all you would do is do the same thing like you would do with the renovated comp. You would go over here to price per square foot, which is right here. And you would multiply that by our prospect property, which is $1,600. And that will give us our price point. That is not the ARV of the property, but these are what houses are selling for in as is condition. So the way you would present this to a buyer is, hey, Mr. Buyer, we don't have any renovated comps in this area. However, houses are selling for $60,000 in as is condition. Would you take, and you give him the amount that you want to sell the property for? And that's how you would do that. But if you have any questions, feel free to drop it in the comments, and I will be glad to go over anything else for you guys about comps and ARV.
Thank you all for watching this video. And if this video provided any type of value to you, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video.